Well, folks, it's Friday. Everybody's got time off for the weekend. We worked hard today. Shall we just take a look at where they ended up? Just for orientation, there's the crossroad, and there's the animal cage to hold the holes in. This goes down in the trench when somebody has to actually get down in there so that the sidewalls can't cave in and bury them. Now, you can see there's a much steeper slope than natural, and they've cut it way back. There's also a steel plate there, probably for a reason. Now, see the Lumos flag? That means the fiber optic cable is not at the surface. It's probably at least 3 feet below the surface, but that's where it's running right there, and they want to be careful not to hit it. But what they've cleared, they've got plenty of room to route. Now, it's possible that that plate represents the extent of the pipe in place. They would want that to be exposed so that when they dig beyond it to route further, they have immediate access to the pipe end, pipe terminus that's already in the ground. That's a guess. Pardon me, you know, I'm limpy. This is going to serve a special purpose. You can see that it's large enough to contain the actual pipeline pipe. This is the boy that did all the work over here today, loading the dirt that he scraped up from this, shortening the hill and putting it in a truck and getting it transported to another place for safekeeping. I'm not sure whether that's a pipe down by the tread or if it's a tree. This is what they use to actually pip the pipe up, and this is how he hooks onto it. He can exchange the tool at the front. I've watched him doing it. You can see by the weld, which is recent, that this bigger pipe, armor pipe, has been fabricated for a special purpose. Remember, this is a no-touch visit. So this is the pipe that is the water carrier, and they're going to be fitted into there. This is what I call a granulator. You see the chunks there? It's a finish-up rig, granulator. It breaks up everything so that they can easily level it and move it around. The dirt. I'm inventing words, but I'll bet you that's close to what it's called. You can tell there used to be a tree in this vicinity. And there's another rig, and there's another shovel, and I can't go around the bushes, I'm not capable. And there's another something down there on this side of the fence, and there's another thing. They they've been granulating that stream bed. That's a creek bed that goes through under the road. So they will be trying to put this back as smooth as possible once they're finished. Which explains why when they first came and cut the 2 trees, 80-foot trees that were right there, they chopped up the ground a lot, but they didn't bother with it. And the answer is because they would come and wreck it even more, and then they would granulated and smooth it out before they left. And I do mean a tree like that size. It was amazing to see them take it down. Boy, if you can build big crane arms, you can do anything. And believe me, that kind of equipment is needed in North Carolina. I've kind of been sensitized to the tallness of the trees we have. Look at them over there. Those are over 80 feet high at the corner. How do you get them down? There's a house there. Anyway, last look. I'm just running my mouth. Last look. I'm not sure what that metal bed is down there, but it's covering up something. Oh, that's where the end of the pipeline is, probably. Okay. Oh, I got it. It's another one of those. It's another one of those, and it's shielding the end of the pipes. Okay, we got it. We can figure it out eventually. Steve AB4L, Friday night. I'm going to go eat supper. Saying see you in 73.